Okay, welcome everyone to the first video on the channel. In this video I'm going to be covering how to basically speed up your Sketchup process, how to increase productivity. And if you're working in Sketchup, this will make your life, 10 times easier. So I'll get right into it here. Basically what I've done is I've created a bunch of keyboard shortcuts to help you out. And almost like a video game, set them up on WASD. So you can quickly switch between all your tools. I'll show you a quick explanation of how it works, give you a bit of a demonstration. So for example, instead of going up here to click your rectangle, you now just go A for rectangle, D for line, S for move. So for example, we go to a box, we can do a quick push pull, we can draw a line on it, make some shapes, and then we can even select it. Let's make it a group. Let's move it, duplicate it, and that's basically sped up your process infinitely. I mean, you can do so much with keyboard shortcuts if it's creating groups, if it's creating layers. The possibilities are endless. So to do it, all you have to do is go to Window, Preferences, then under Shortcuts here, you can change your shortcut. For example, if I wanted to set Q to rotate, I would search up rotate. I'd go to Tools. I've already assigned Q, but if there's an assigned key already, you would remove the key first. So we can remove it here, click minus, add the Q, pop it in, and then click OK. So now, let's just say I want to select this object. We can delete everything else. For example, E, I set it for erase. There we go. Q, we can rotate this, and we can rotate it any way we want. And there we go. That's basically about it. Thank you very much for watching. If you're looking for more Sketchup tutorials, more tutorials in the future, be sure to stay updated and follow the channel. I hope to make videos on the layering system, how to create sections, and I'll go through all the steps to SketchUp and how to create beautiful drawings and how to be fast and work productively. Because ultimately, if you're working in a practice or if you're working in school, then that's the ultimate goal, is to work fast and get your work done. So that's the goal of this channel, and I'm here to help. So yeah, any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.